Good evening. Welcome to our Hope Talk today. Ayan, so how's everyone? And of course, no, we're having another passer naman and one of the interesting din, no, kasi tipong he's one of my own kasi unang-una we're on the same province. Pareho kami taga-Aklan, and then second is we're from the same school. So I'm really happy kasi of course no, whenever we have students no, from our provinces, I'm always happy naman. Ayan, and we're happy kasi andito ngayon today. Ayan, ating special guest naman, si Sir Kent Yap.
Hello, sir, and hello to everyone. Good afternoon.
Saan ka, sir, ngayon?
Sa work po, sir, nasa nursing,
I see. I mean, nasa ano ka ba? Nasa Middle East ka ngayon?
sir. Sir.
Okay. Ayan, so before we start, no, so at least you can you can introduce yourself muna to your classmates naman and to those who are watching us naman. So yeah, I mean, if there's anything personal and professional that you can share to your classmates who are watching.
Hello to everyone. I am Ken. I was from IPAS Academic, Batch 10. I was enrolled in the middle of Batch 10, but I start my review on Batch 11 last year, 2023. I started my NCLEX journey last June 14, exactly June 14. For 3 months, I do self-study, and then one of my close friend passed the NCLEX last June 26 or 27. He's from IPAS also, and then I messaged him na if nag-review center siya or nag-self-review siya or nag-review center. And he said to me na sa IPAS nga, sir, he got a good feedback naman on me. So that time, I was browsing the Facebook po. And then after that, nakita ko po yung may short lecture kayo, and that was Sir J. Sir Jay caught my attention po. So nakinig po ako about what is the NGN, because that time po, I don't have any idea about the NGN po na tinatawag kasi nag-change generation na ng NCLEX. So for me po, so parang nag-doubt po ako sa self ko while doing my review na maybe this is a difficult na exam, and siguro and year by year nag-change po yung mga concept for nursing concept. So, yun po, opted po ako na mag-enroll sa IPAS. The good thing for in IPAS is like, the payment is like staggered, so hindi po siya mabigat sa bulsa. This is what I like it. And parang friendly po sila, so just one message away, and then they will reply po, and they will give you an idea about what's going on po. So I started my class on IPAS, and then in the middle of batch 10. So on my first review, on my first po nag-encounter po ng live class, which is I like it po kasi I learned that lecture with pulmo concept with Sir J. Parang difficult pa ako magka-catch up, and then there's a lot of na-feel ko po na about the inferiority kasi lahat ng mga classmate ko ang gagaling isang question lang, parang ang dali na nila ang daming sagot na ang bibilis na sumagot parang sa answer nila, but mabilis mag-type ng keyboard. And then there is a time also na nag-attend ako ng lecture about the critical care kay Sir Emil. I was complaining to my friends sa duty na, oh my God, parang hindi yata ako nito makapasa, because like I don't have any background from the about the ECG reading, mga ganyan po, types of shock, at saka mga types of mga central line, at saka mga responsibility po. So what I did po is like I went back ulit sa pag-review ko. So I try all the different learning strategy that I can. I maximize po, like I watch some simple nursing lecture before I go to the book, so that para maintindihan ko po, and if all mga different mga medical terminologies po, I just search to Google and ano pong meaning niya, and then or in the layman's terms, so that hindi ko po siya makalimutan po. So as the times goes on, sir, when I meet my coach, Miss Anne, she messaged me through email, and then I respond and we talk. So she advised me na mag-stick lang ako sa 2 to 3 books, because that time kasi, sir, parang ang dami kong books na binabasa. I just finished from the Fast RN tracks on Lippincott, and then I'm starting the 1,000 pages of Saunders. I'm doing my review because it's a combination po kasi, sir, yung review ko. so that I can understand po. So combination po siya ng, since visual learner po ako, so nag-invest po ako sa mga nursing video and books po para hindi ko po siya makakalimutan. And plus, I do writing po para ma-retain po siya sa mind ko. So sinabi ko po sa sarili ko na I will not memorize. Instead, I should familiarize myself for this disease. Kasi parang sabi kasi ng mga kaibigan ko, like the NCLEX is like yung mga questions nila is very out of this world po. Which is totoo naman kasi Sir Mark, parang you will not find like, for example, asthma, what is the management for asthma? You will not encounter that in NCLEX po. Instead, you will encounter what is the complications, the management about that, which is, yan po yan na lumabas po sa exam ko that time. And mga deadly complications for of the disease, of the medications, and then for patient safety po, mga ganon. So, inaral ko po yun, sir, by heart, and I improved my weakness. Hindi ko po siya tinuring yung weakness ko na parang I will gonna stop this one because this is my weakness. So instead po, what I did po, nag-backdive talaga ako, sir, sa mga weakness ko to improve. Especially sa mga drills ko, on our drills, like when I started sa pre-exam natin dito, I was getting only 25 out of 75, 30, 40, mga ganun, sir. Pero yung reason na yun, sir, hindi po nag-cause sa akin na alarm na, uy, baka na mag-negative thought ako, sir, na babagsak ako sa NCLEX. Instead, what I use, sir, like, at least I learned something to what I read. So parang I just trust myself, sir. And every day po, kahit nasa work po ako, I am thankful to all the people who supported me and understand me po for my situation na I am working and then at the same time nag-aaral po ako. I'm doing multitasking actually. Kahit nasa work po ako and I have a free time, I don't waste my time just to have chit-chat with my friend, which is I used to it before. Like pagkatapos na kasi ng OR namin here sa hospital, we have a free time to have a coffee break or see and chit-chat some friends. So instead, I am using that one pag 3 p.m. na here, it's already 8 a.m. in Pilipinas. So doon na po ako sa mga, nakikita niyo po ako doon sa mga storage room, sa mga implant room. Doon na po ako, sir, nakatutok na po ako with my scratch paper, na bond paper and pen. So, yun lang po. And then, after we finish, so, mga kinakat ko lang siya, sir, like, hindi na ako nakakaabot ng mga, until 11 lang po ako, or 6 p.m. here. So, nakinakat ko na siya. And later, I will continue it sa house na lang yung recording po. I watch mostly, most of the time, the NGN of Ma'am Paula, which is, I truly believe that it helped me a lot to boost my self-confidence po, and then how to analyze the questions, the reasons behind it po sa mga questions and sa mga bow tie. So actually, pinaka-hate ko before is bow tie, maganyan kasi lagi ako na pag-analyze ko, parang na-over-analyze ko siya po, which is can lead me to the wrong answer. I pick it up na tama na siya, but due to over-analyzations and overthinking, parang yun po. And then, when I heard to Sir Emil that NCLEX is a perfect world na andyan na lahat talaga, so I stopped over-analyzing na what if this patient will blah, blah. So na-focus ko lang po yung sa sarili ko about na this is not impossible na maganito siya. So this is na mag-focus na po ako sa lahat ng mga complication. At times goes by, sir, like when I was answering my Q-Bank, started my Q-Bank September already from Archer. So for my first RA and readiness assessment, so I am improving. I started like 65%, and then it's very high until I finish all the content of Archer. So consistent po siyang very high. So I keep updating my coach, Ma'am Ann. So I send message to her and I keep updated what's happening to me and what is my weakness. So sometimes I just talk to her na, is it okay na about this one, ma'am, or this one? She will guide me throughout in a right way po. So during that time po, I was thankful also to my coach because parang hindi po ako nalilito, parang I have a direction lang po kung saan po ako mag-study, saan ako banda mag-focus ng study, which is I make sure na before I get my NCLEX po, strong foundation po ako sa mga endo, cardio, pharma, neuro, orthopedics, and then for lang basic comfort and to the NGN po. So mga November po, sir, October I mean, so nag-start po ako, since I finished all the Q-Banks, my Korean friend po na binigyan niya po ako ng Q-Banks from UWorld po. So he did not finish. So he told me na may ilang months pa daw, may months pa daw dun about na remaining. So I can use it po. So I have mga 3 assessment po na readiness assessment and still a lot of Q-banks remaining po. So and then sabi lang niya sa akin, you just reset it and so that it will go back to the old one. After po, when I started the U-World, mahirap po siya as in it's very difficult. Sakit po sa ulo how to analyze it. Parang mga out of this world yung mga question po, lalo na sa mga NGN. But I never stop po dun, sir. I do Q-banks every day, 85 items per day. So until po siya, I reach a good grades on my Q-banks. I started in U-World like 70%, which is I sent also to Ma'am Ann and to you, sir. Sabi niya sa akin, this is a good score to, sir, for this one. So each day, parang every morning when I wake up, when I wash my face and brush my teeth, I just see myself in the mirror and sabi ko lang, hello, good morning USRN. So ready ka na ba i-claim mo yung license? I'm always like that, sir, and I'm very positive every day. Before I start my self-review, I just keep praying to God that He will give me strength, courage, determination, perseverance to achieve my goal, guide me for my difficulties, and then control my anxiety, fear, doubt, negativity, and give me calmness and boost my self-confidence. This is what I keep praying every day, and then if this is your will, Lord, I am just talking to let it be done. Let it be done according to your will. Or I know that for the past month I am working hard. Like as in, naiiyak ako, sir, because like I'm working and then I'm sleeping like 4 a.m. I wake up at 7 or 8, but I am still in the good mood, and then I was able to recall my lectures and everything. So I think I am ready. I said to myself na, I think I am ready na to face the NCLEX. And then after that, sir, nag-watch ako ng mga lecture nila, Sir J, everything I'm attending. Wala pa ko ang absent sa lecture natin. I was thankful also to Sir Kyle, Sir Kin, and then because lagi po akong, hindi pa ako nakaprint lagi ng lecture, so nagre-request lang po ako if they can send me lectures so I can print po and study. So when we comes na nag-Euro class po si Ma'am Paula, I was feel guilty kasi that time na parang busy kasi kami that day, sir, because I have to scrub craniotomy with tumor evacuation, that is elective case. So na-feel po akong guilty. So parang that day na hindi naka-attend kay Ma'am Paula na NGN since because Ma'am Paula is like, mag-engineer kasi si Ma'am Paula, sir, it's like she's tickling my mind. Napapaisip talaga ako, sir, for the exact answer and then for ano mga strategy ang gagawin natin dito sa question na to about how to select the proper answer to this question. Since, because I believe kasi, sir, pag once mo nabasa ang question, ma-familiarize mo rin siya and then magigets mo rin yung pathophysium po ng isang disease. So after that one, I keep watching that one. That was a 5 hour or 4 hours to 5 hours. So nag-day off na po ako. So I repeated that one recorded na po until hanggang natapos ko na siya. Hanggang nag-lecture ulit si Ma'am Paula about sickle cell. So sa second cell that time, sir, parang nagkuhan lang po ako, nag-take notes lang ako about the mga risk factor of the sickle cell and everything po. Tapos natandaan ko na po siya. So what are the medication of choice? What are the management? And then after that, Ma'am Paula, about the NGN enhancement, the cardio na po, sir. So sa cardio, so tinutukan ko po yung how to do ECG. So sa ECG po, sir, so I keep repeating it for the 5 times para maintindihan ko lang po talaga yung mga VTAC, BFib. Because this is my weakness, sir, because we do in my activities here as a OR nurse, we don't deal this one, sir, about mga VFib, BTACs. It's more on the critical care like ICUs. So mostly po, sir, what I did po is when I'm day off, so I keep watching simple nursing or in the Archer na lecture po about the ECG, paano po siya i-interpret. I started from the basic until po siya hanggang na-familiarize ko na po lahat yung 9 basic ECG reading po. And then how the management. After that, when third J na po nag-explain the cardio and everything, nag-gets ko na po siya, sir, yung ECG, what are the difference of your type 1 heart block until to sa complete heart block po, sir. And then after that po, sir, parang nag-boost na naman po ang confidence ko. I was very positive. So October 18, when I do my RA, so in U-World, I get very high po. So hindi naman po ako na-depressed na high. So I tell to myself na if there is a chance na mag very high ka, why not? I'm gonna try my best. So I went back to the all videos, lahat po ng video ng Archer, and then I watch also all the video of UWorld po sa may mga free time po ako. So that time po, I feel so blessed because sa review days ko kasi parang hindi po mag-aanong busy that time, no overtime activated, yan po, tapos no extended hours for cases, at saka kahit late shift man po ako, sir, parang maaga po ako nakakauwi ng bahay. And I am not that too much na tired na talaga na parang mag-give up na ako because I'm going to study. Parang I feel so refreshed po. And then every day po sa pagbabasa ko and pagre-review, I feel I'm growing po and learning. I have a lot of things na I discovered to myself I was surprised also na kaya ko rin pala na kahit sa recording lang, like audio recording, kaya ko mag-retain sa mind ko ng mga some important details. And then after that po, November 18 po, I done my second RA. So I got a very high, pero happy na po talaga ako and confident for that time na nakakuha ko ng very high score. It's like 80% yung nakuha ko. So sabi ko sa sarili, I will not stop. So I will continue reading and continue yung atendang IPAS. Saka sa mga test po natin, sir, pumapasa po ako sa lahat ng mga test, mga pre-test natin, even our midterm exam and then the final exam, pumapasa po ako. So doon po ako kumuha ng guts na I'm gonna make. Si Ma'am Ann po naggabay sa akin na if malapit na ako sa exam, I should answer 150 items po per day to boost po for my brain po para hindi po ako daw madaling mapagod. When I do 150, sir, parang sakit-sakit na ng ulo ko. Sabi ko, pero 170 yata yun kasi 85 po sa UWorld. So sumakit pa yung ulo ko. So parang sabi ko kay Ma'am Ann, parang hindi ko kaya yata to Ma'am Ann. Ang sakit na ng ulo ko. Tapos I just take medication and I went to sleep and then woke up in the morning. So ang good thing lang po, positive lang kasi sa akin, sir, if I do Q-banks, I very well digested po siya sa mag-rationale po ako. So in fact, all the rationale po, sinusulat ko po siya sa notebook ko, sir. So 1 to 85, sinusulat ko lang po siya lahat. What are the keywords, anong tatandaan ko, and then what are the reasons behind bakit wrong yung answer ko for this one. So I hate SATA before. Like, siya ang pinaka-hate ko talaga. But when the NCLEX exam approaching, like, it turned into positive. Nag-backdive din ako sa OB/GYN, which is one of my weakness, OB/GYN. When Ma'am Rosana discussed the OB/GYN po, parang hindi na ako umattend nun kasi parang I'm not interested. Parang nagsisi rin, which is my big mistakes ko rin po, sir, na hindi ako nag-attend nun ng mga management. But I go to Civil Nursing and sa Archer about this one. Parang hindi ko, kaunti lang yung understand ko. I went back to Sanders again to study back. Hanggang na-recognize ko na parang okay rin naman ako sa gynae. And then after that, parang nakuha ko na yung mga late acceleration, deceleration, mga ganon, sir. Yung VILCHAP na word na yun, kasi hindi ko yung dati alam. And parang na-discover ko rin sa self ko na marunong rin pala mag-read ng mga CTG na for that time because I keep watching how to monitor the CTG, what are the management for this one. When I went home, December na po, sir, parang, kasi when I was still here working, parang nag-overthink din po ako na that time na, but I keep convincing myself na I can make it. So every morning, again, I just tell na, ang confident ko na dapat 85 pa lang, stop ka na. I'm just keep every day telling to myself na tagapasok ko sa trabaho na good morning USRN, I'm claiming my license, I will stop at 85. Whether you like it or not, anong mangyari, maitatawid ko to, I can make it, na papasa ako. So December 8, when I went home, parang everything was smoothly relaxed po, sir. I was so kalmado that day and continue attending the IPAS lecture. And then nag-stop na po ako ng December 10 na mag-attend ng lecture because I want to focus more on the remaining Q-bank. So I have a 300 pa yata or 250 na lang na Q-banks na remaining sa UWorld po. So I'm eager to finish it and then review na lang po. So and my last RA was done on December 11, which is I got 85%, which I sent to Miss Ann and to you, Sir Mark, which is ikaw rin nagsabi na this is a good indicator. And then napaluha rin po ako dati umiyak na rin po ako, sir. Parang like this is siguro yung gift ni God sa akin na matupad ko ang pangarap ko na mag-NCLEX passer po ako for everything, but all my hard work na parang it's worth it po. After that po, sir, like I was preparing for my examination. Suddenly, December 17, my mom rushed to the hospital po due to aneurysm, cerebral aneurysm. She was intubated, ventilated to ICU. So it was found out on the CT scan that she has a cerebral angiogram. It's structured already, sir. So from that day, I was so stressed. December 17, it was 3 days before my NCLEX. After that, sir, like night before I fly to Manila, her attending physicians called me, sir, na they need to intubate my mom because of declining her GCS po. Parang from GCS 10, nag-drop na po siya from 8 to 7. So I said to his doctor na do whatever you want, sir, doc, just to survive my mom and everything because kasi may flight po ako mamayang umaga and maybe hindi na ako maka-reach sa flight ko if magpunta pa ako dyan. But parang ang concern ko, sir, it's grabe. So I went back to the hospital and then I just bring my mom rosary and then sabi ko lang kay ma'am ko, hold on, like these trials is like temporary lang, ma'am, for us. And the positive side naman, sir, that I never questions God why it happened to me. Like above all na malapit na ako mag-exam na it happened na a disaster na ma-intubate yung mom ko and ventilated for that time. It's like, and then all my relatives message me na, kukuha ka pa ba ng exam mo? Magan, kaya mo pa ba? For that time, it was very two challenges and too emotionally for me na above all na it happened to my mom, but sabi ko lang, if this is the challenge, so I will accept it. So when I came to Manila, December 18, things from my mom getting worse. Like she needs a surgery. That time they need a blood to transfuse. Of course, not only stress for me financially for this one because they need a huge amount of money for the surgery of my mom. Plus about the implant for the clipping also they need to pay for this one. When everything is ready, yun po naman that time na parang ang doctor hindi ready, na sa Manila pa siya that time, attending some convention. I just talked to him and I called him personally about this one and then good thing he knows me that si mama mo pala, okay, sige, arrange lang natin ng specific. So we will repeat again the scan and tingnan muna natin kung operahan natin. Tapos when he repeat the scan, sir, parang it was shown na sa CT scan niya na parang inflamed pa yung brain ni ma'am, hindi pa siya pwede operahan for decompression. So what she suggest na mag-manitol muna tayo every 4 hours to para yung ma-decrease yung swelling po ng brain niya. So doon po ako nabahayan po, sir, ng after nagmamanitol na po, parang bumabalik po si mama from GCS 6 nag-GCS 10 na po siya that time and nakabangon po siya, nakamulat po siya ng mata for like 11 to 12. And then after that one, natutulog na ulit siya, sir. So sabi ng doctor sa amin, explanation is like he needs surgery but not now, but your mom is quite stable. But hindi natin ito patatagalin, but we will do the operation as much as possible. So they give me 2 to 3 days po for the management. And then also they need a management from and clearance from the neuromedicine, pulmo medicine, at saka sa anesthesia po. So for cardiopulmonary clearance and CP clearance po na tinatawag. So it took 2 days. Gulong-gulo na po ako that day. So like I just told to myself na, Lord, ikaw na bahala for this one. If this is your will, Lord, it's okay, Lord, if I will accept my defeat, kung I will fail my exam. Because everything that day, like it's very odd. Like I'm failing from all my Q banks. Like I reached 89, 90, 92, 93. I was like, I'm na fall ako like 72, 71, 70, like that, sir. Pero I was, good thing this Miss Anne encouraged me na, sir, this is a good, still good score for this one, sir. Na 70%, at least you know everything, 70%. And yun lang po. And then keep trying, sir. Keep focus. Wag ka ma-distract. And then I know that your family is there for your mom na hindi pababayaan. And then my brother called me like in the evening na just focus na makapasa ako for my exam and everything. So, okay, then don't worry, we will take good care of your mom. Nakahanap na kami ng mga blood and everything. So we were still waiting na lang for the surgeon. December 19, so I decided na to visit the Armstrong Makati. So that I can be familiarize myself po sa my exam. And then that day important, nag-hypertension po yata si mama. So kailangan na ng mga disat-disat. Pero thank God pa rin po, like my mom is hanging on for me. Like that day, parang hindi ko na po maintindihan yung feeling ko, like I want to back out na lang po. Pero parang when I went home, parang kaya ko to. Miss Anne message me na hindi na po ako dapat mag-study and everything. But parang hindi po na po ako that time mapakali mapakali, and I was so restless. Parang to control my emotion, parang nag-study po ako, which is nakakuha po ako ng focus. I still study sa YouTube, which is nag-study po ako ng mga milestone o Bigayni. Again, I repeat for the cardiac surgery and mga pulmo po, pharmacologies. And then December 20, maaga po ako nakatulog noong December 19. I sleep around at 8 p.m. and I woke up at 4 p.m. po. Nagsimbang gabi lang po ako online because I am a devotee of Señor Santo Niño. So, nagsimba lang po ako, and then I said na sa prayer ko nga, ikaw na bahala sa akin for everything. I live up to everything. So, this is not my control, but it's yours. And when I went back sa our condo, dumaan po rin po ako sa San Lorenzo Church, malapit po sa condo namin in Makati. So after that, just I keep praying that is Perpetual Health Wednesday. So I keep praying hard about my mom's health and everything po. And then about my examination. So I did my best. And then yun lang po ang sabi ko sa kanila. So, take good care of my mom and everything. So, kung ano man ang results about my exam is, I will accept it, whatever. Anyway, sabi ko, if babagsak ako, at least I try my best and kaya ko to ulit na maglakad ulit ng paper, pag-iipunan ko ulit ito. And then, December 20, when I came to the examination in Armstrong, I was so calm, like parang nakalimutan ko lahat yung mga problema ko that day about the situation of my mom and everything. I was so calm that day. I was drinking coffee only in the corner, and then iba kasi mga kasamahan ko, parang nagre-review lang sila doon, nagbabasa-basa pa. So ako I was very calm, tulala lang. And then after that, 8:30, parang pina-accumulate na kami sa person view, pinapasok na doon kami for biometric. And then after that po, parang binigyan po ako ng number and everything, and then for the biometric, parang when I'm going to enter the examination, the computer areas examination po, parang may briefing pa po doon na check your packet, and then if their jacket namin, and then doon po ako parang nagka-confident ulit, sir, na parang like na-confident na ako na papasa ako, sir. Parang na-feel ko yun po, sir, like papasa talaga ako nito. Yun lang po. Parang nanglamig po ako doon na hindi ko maintindihan, sir. Parang yung confident ko before na which is nawala, parang bumalik siya, sir. And then after that, sa examination ako, so now I was number 8 po ako that day, which is my favorite number. Doon nga, computer. So the questions is 1 to 15, which is the pre-assessment po, sir. Like siguro mga 2 or 1 mistake lang po ako that day, that I can assure. Because the other kasi, sir, is na naguluhan ako that day kasi na-distract ako, sir, sa mga sa mga typing at saka sa mga reading that time. So I requested headphones po sa testing center, and they provided po naman. And then sabi ko lang sa isip ko, ito na ba ang NCLEX? Really? Parang hindi ko po na-imagine nag-NCLEX ako just that day. Like I was, feel ko lang na nag-archer ako or U-World. Tapos, ay, bakit ganito lang ang mga question? But parang andito na lahat ang mga keywords. And then after that, 16, ayun na po, naramdaman ko na talaga na, ito na talaga ang totoong NCLEX, which is my real battle was so hard. They throw me a lot of delegation prioritizations. For my NGN, they throw me a lot of cardio. They throw me also one ECG, which is pero baka, ito na talaga to, hindi na talaga ako nag-doubt pagkakita ko pa lang sa quality ng ECG niya. So nag-analyze ko pa doon that time about the ECG. So ito na talaga ang answer na to. That is the correct way. And then lahat po ng whiteboard na parang paper po na yung ano po nila, sinusulatan mo na parang scratch paper. It was really full po yun ng mga possible na answer na sinusulat ko about for this one, and then I don't know that time, sir, parang nagpatupisyo, nakuha ko pa that time na magpatupisyo because naguluhan po kasi ako that time sa tanong about the differentiate about this heart disease and compare for this one, but they have the same management. So nagpatupisyo po ako talaga, sir. Breakdown pa ako ng patupisyo about this one, how to manage. And then good thing, tama, sabi ko nga, ito na talaga yung answer na to. I just take and then go. And then after that one, sabi ko, ano ba to? Hingi na ako that time. Gusto ko na mag-break. So bakit wala pang break? So the 60 to 66 NGN po. In the middle, 63, namatay po yung computer, nag-break. Okay, nag-break po ako. So Pag break ko po, sir, parang akala ko magsa-stop rin time sa computer kasi I take time talaga. Ninamnam ko talaga yung kape ko, sir. Umiinom pa ako ng kape, sir. Tapos sabi ko pa, may kasamaan pa po ako doon na lalaki sa ano nga, nagsabi na, naka-break ka pala, sir. Oo, naka-break na ako, sir. Sabi ko sa kanya, di balik ka, sir. Hindi ka pa babalik, sabi niya sa akin, sir. Parang, hindi pa babalik kasi, di ba, baka 5 minutes or 10 minutes pa, hindi naman nagsa-stop nagsa-stop naman yung time natin, di ba? Tapos, he said, no, gumagana yan. Sabi, ha? Sabi ko, dali-dali pa ako bumalik doon sa computer ko, sir. Nakita ko nga, nagtitik na talaga yung time ko. Like, I spent 8 minutes on my break. So, sabi ko, oh my God. Sabi ko, dapat hindi nila ako, dapat nag-quick break lang talaga ako. Nag-jingle break, nag-bladder break lang po sana ako. Hindi na ako uminom ng kape and water and everything. Kasi it take times pa. Kasi after mo nag-break, babalik ka pa doon sa may security area nila. I-check nila yung packet, everything, eyeglasses, before ka nila i-escortan doon pabalik sa computer mo, which it take time nga. After that po, sir, continuous na ako sa MGN ko. Doon na ako, sir, pumunta sa pharmacology, which is sa mga ABCD na mga medication. It came out po, sir, talaga. I was so thankful. And then, may NGN ulit po ako, single question din siya. So akala ko, shit, hindi, oh my God, hindi ka ako, kasi number ko na po, 79 that time. NGN po ako. Pero ang sabi ko, oh my God, hindi yata ako aabot ng 85 na to. Kaya baka tuloy-tuloy ako po mag-ano ng 150. I have only parang 2.5 na lang yung na-remaining ko na time po, sir. So, parang, oh my God. Tapos I realized na single question din pala siya ng NGN po, sir. So, pag-click ko nun, tuloy-tuloy na po ulit na medication po. So, 80, 81, 82, 83 for medication. Pag 84 po, namatay po yung computer, sir. Pagkamatay ng computer, was surprised. Parang, doon na po ako, sir, nag-make a scene. Na syempre, hindi ko naman po ina-expect na namatay po yung computer, sir. Parang, sorry sa mga seatmate ko at saka kumuha ng mga exam that time kasi nabulabog yata sila, sir, kasi I was so shocked. Parang sumigaw talaga ako doon, sir. What happened? But umiyak na rin ako doon, sir. Parang I make a scene and then dali-dali po yung pumunta po sila, sir. Parang proctor po doon sa computer to check. Akala ko kasi, sir, na may nahila akong na mga power cable sa computer or something po. Kasi that day, lahat ng mga position of my comfort, ginawa ko na, sir, sa upuan. Wala akong pakialam. Nakataas na yung isa ko D4 or naka-extend yung mga paa ko, sir, and everything for mga stretching. Lahat na ginawa ko of my position of my comfort during my answer for my exam. So akala ko siguro may nasagil ako or may natanggal akong saksakan. So wala talaga, sir. Umiyak talaga ako, sir. So that's why pinaset aside muna nila ako, sir, to calm down myself because nag-hysterical na talaga ako, sir, for that time. And then sabi nila, okay, sabi ko, sir, no, sir, and then everything. So sabi nila, sige ha, i-try natin. Pag try na po, inopen nila ulit yung computer ko, my question is still there. Hindi ko pa na-click yung next na 84. So I click next. Ayun naman, sir, namatay na talaga, sir, with survey. Ayun na, nagtawag ulit ako, sir. Umiyak na naman ako, sir. Sabi, no, sir, you need answer mo na to. Sabi niya, answer mo na yung survey. Sabi niya sa akin. Yun lang po. So nag-survey po ako doon 1 to 6 and then nanginig po talaga ako that day, sir. Tapos hindi ko na alam. I called Ma'am Ann for this one because hindi ko na po talaga alam, sir, that day kung ano kasi bakit namatay ako. Dapat 85, dapat kung bagsak ba ako or pasado for that time. So I went back home na po, sir. So inisip ko na po si mama. Tapos hindi ko na po inisip about the exam. After naoperahan na po yung mama ko po sa hospital and then ako po nagbantay the whole night. After that po, yun na po, when the exam came out, yun na po, paglulat po ni mama, sabi ko mga USRN na ako, grabe po yung iyak ko. Yun na po, sir. So, I was thankful po. Nagpasalamat po ako isa-isa for Sir Ryan, Sir Jay, kayo po, kay Ma'am Ann, at saka kay Ma'am Pau po, everything. So, everything po from the IPAS na mga lecture, which is na-accumulate ko po, at saka I sit in my mind. So, I'm very thankful po sa IPAS for the chance na naka-enroll ako, and then for the good lecture po, for no dull moment, and then for the fun, like Sir Ryan, so nag-enjoy po ako sa lecture ni Sir Ryan lagi. So thank you po, Sir Ryan, for teaching us and for the demo always, and then for the shout out, and then for the ting 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 and everything. So yun lang po, sir. So thank you for everyone and to the mga kay sila Sir Ken, Sir Kyle, everything po. Thank you so much for the handouts lagi kasi lagi late po ako. Minsan di ko pa nakaka-catch up, mali po yung napiprint ko. Yun lang po, sir. And if I have one message for the all the students of IPAS, like don't give up. You know, champion will start on the defeat. Actually, I believe in that. And later on, times goes on, you will feel your time na this is it. Don't give up your dreams and don't feel na mainggit ka sa mga ibang tao na ay mabuti pa siya nakapasa ako pa kaya don't feel down for that one. Don't think negative. You can and you will. Hindi naman po ako at that time na maraming masyadong alam, but as the times goes on, like parang magic lang po sila, sir. I started 35, well, imagine 20, 25, 30, 45. Diyos ko, sabi ko, paano ko pa ito may tatawid ang real Inklex? That is the Q-banks pa lang, sir. And then later on, it's like, kasi kung nag-i-Inklex kasi you will feel na parang you are not ready. Actually, masasabi mo talaga yan na even you are growing, nakikita mo na yung mga Q-banks na matataas, but yet you still feel na I am not ready. But I can assure you na on the day of your exam, you can and you will pass. So never doubt yourself and turn negative. Everything like trust to God, talk to yourself na good morning USRN, I am ready to claim my US license. And then pray harder. That's it po.
Oo. Grabe 'no, I mean, Sir Ryan 'no, grabe very eventful 'tong experience ni Sir Ken kasi I don't know, I mean, I just can imagine yung situation mo that time kasi pumunta ka Manila tapos yun pa yung time na na-intubate yung mama mo, 'di ba? I think you also told me about that. Parang I just can imagine yung sobrang hati. Kumbaga yung focus mo noon kasi siyempre, I mean, nataon pa talaga 'no, na mag-e-exam ka tapos gano'n pa very serious yung nangyari do'n kay mama mo 'no. But then again, ang maganda doon is nung nagkamalay siya 'di ba, at least 'di ba, yun agad yung pangbungad mo sa kanya na pumasa ka sa exam.
Yes po, sir. And then parang nagulat din po siya, parang natulala rin po siya, sir. And then that time, and then until now, sabi ko lang sa kanya na nakalabas na siya sa hospital and God is great po. Hindi po niya kami pinabayaan from my exam and from my answering my prayers of my mom na GCS 15 na po siya. Nagulat din po yung mga doctor na it was a good recovery and fast recovery po.
That's nice. It's really nice 'no, and just really a very very touching and successful story din kasi ang daming ganap in that week pa tapos magpapasko pa 'di ba? I mean, ang daming ganap.
Yes, sir.
So, kumbaga naging maganda yung lahat kasi nga you really work hard for that and tiyaga mo dun sa mga lectures and sa review mo 'no, sabi mo kanina like minsan yung tulog mo 4 na oras na lang.
Yes
So,
po, sir.
I think Sir Ken, I mean, yung foundation kasi na na-build up po doon sa preparation mo like months before. Yes, you could have been distracted like days before doon sa exams mo. Pero kasi yung foundation mo is andoon na eh. That's really one advantage na na meron yung focusing on your content first kasi regardless kasi of what happens no pag malapit na kami exam without distractions and other things hindi yun nawawala kasi you've been building that concept for the longest time. No? So kumbaga, regardless kung anong distractions or other things, masasagot niyo yun kasi nga naka-ingrain na yun sa inyo for months already. So kumbaga, andun na yun. Yeah, so I think it's really one thing that really helps kay Sir Ken naman kung paano na-overcome yung exam kasi talaga nag-build siya ng concepts niya, ginapang niya yung concepts niya, which really naging advantage yun on how was able to cope with that very eventful situation naman days before his exam. Ayan. I'd like to hear some thoughts from Sir Ryan naman. Sir Ray.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations, No, parang
Thank
naalala
you,
ko
sir.
talaga yung mo, sir. Yung name mo, sir. Naalala ko yung mga names mo sometimes sa shout out. Oo, Kent, yeah. Congratulations, sir. And of course, we are so proud of you. And thank you for being an inspiration tonight to your classmates, of course. So it means a lot, especially to them, to be motivated and to keep going whatever will happen. So kumbaga, pag sinabing NCLEX, so lahat, kailangan prepared talaga tayo, not only mentally, kailangan holistic. So, that's why naigapang mo at saka na you become successful because, of course, your preparation is so good. Congratulations again and
Thank you
shout
so
out
much,
to you,
sir.
sir. Shout out
Yes,
to
shout out, sir, sa Batch
USRN.
11.
Ayan. Ayan ang maswerteng shoutout ni Sir Ryan.
Oo, sir.
No, sir, iba talaga yung ano, whenever we talk to ano no, to our pastors na hindi talaga nila na ano, nakakaligtaan na they don't really forgot to mention yung ano, yung mga shoutouts na ginagawa sa kanila kasi siguro ano talaga tested and proven yung shoutout, nakakaswerte talaga yun, Sir Ryan.
Oo, sir. Dapat naka-live lang ako. Dapat pag si Sir Ryan, naka-live na dapat ako. And then keyboard warrior, everything. So I love neuro, ortho, mga swan neck na. What is the difference of swan neck and tank and prak talaga, sir. Yun talaga, sir, tumatak sa akin. Utak ko, Viper's test, prak!
O, di ba?
And then,
Nag-recall?
oo, sir. And then, yung itsura ni Sir Ryan, the way parang mag-asthma, like, let's go to the garden and talk more. Tell me more. So, yun po talaga, sir.
That's really nice, no? That's really nice. Nako, I mean, really, no, we're really thankful for Sir Ryan for all those things, no? Kasi at some point is, yung learnings kasi, no, hindi lang siya yung tipong plain learning lang, but I mean, our educators really try their best, no, in creating,
Yes, sir.
no, na yung tipong hindi lang siya yung monotonous na lecture, that really do their best in at some point going relatable kumbaga yung lessons na
Yes po,
merong
sir.
recall, no? So ayan, ako, thank you so much, Ryan, really.
Sa lecture kasi, sir, like you will feel not pressure talaga, sir, like you're enjoying, lalo na, sir, yung mga banana bread, banana loaf, making banana loaf ni Sir Angelo, mga ganyan po, sir, mga topic lagi namin.
Yung mga team
Okay,
banana.
kaya mga cool po yung mga classmates namin, sir, like we don't see ourselves na magpagalingan or competitive, sir. We like here kasi sa IPAS parang like we are family, like we correct each other, and if I have for additional po, sinishare ko po lahat yan, sir, sa mga classmate ko, about the mga updates for these diseases, mga ganun po, sir. Thankful po kay Sir Ryan for the happy class and kay Ma'am Rosana also na mahilig sa mga mnemonic. Gusto ko pa kay Sir Ryan kasi kung hindi ko maintindihan, sir, we need to demo. So mag-demo talaga siya for like the cane, 4-point gate, mga ganun po siya sa cane at saka sa mga crutches po. Demo, sir, demo, sir.
Oh, ayan I mean, well, ngayon ka lang talaga nalaman na pinapademo niyo pala si Sir Ryan. Ako, kayo talaga.
Oo, yung tartive pa, sir, like sa mga NMS, sir, tartive po, mga ganon, yung mga side effect ng mga medication. Yung mga tremors effect.
Tardive skinny siya. O, best actor. Ayun, no? I mean, grabe, hindi niyo lang pinapa-lecture yung mga educators natin, kundi pinapa-acting niyo pa.
Oo, sir. Except kay Sir J. So lahat po kay Sir J, tahimik po lahat kami nakikinig lang po kami.
But then again, kahapon, no? I mean, well, nag-joke si Sir Jay kahapon, so it was new din as well. But yun nga, I mean, really, no, thank you really for the educators kasi they always make sure na they go way above and beyond from what the usual lectures.
Yes, sir. Yes
You can
po.
really
Yes,
understand.
this is what I share to all my friends na about the lecturer na it's good nga po, and then very friendly. If you have a questions, they will accommodate you and they will try their best to answer your questions. And if hindi nila ma-answer, they will make sure na will back to you with their answer na po. So this is trusted and proven na po, sir. So about this one,
Thank you, Sir Kent, for
thank you, sir.
invitation to the program. And yeah, I mean, meron kaming pa-token naman sa'yo kasi officially graduate ka na sa Academy.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
we're really happy to present this simple token to you naman. Ayan, so we're giving this anchor certificate to you. So this is a proof, no, that you are a safe nurse based on the standards of nursing practice naman. So this is signed by me and Sir J. Padong. So hopefully, Sir Kent, no,
Thank you, sir.
this will really serve as a reminder of all the hard work that you did, no? So sana, no, every time you see this is that will really remind you of the learnings na nakuha mo sa journey mo and other things na napulot mo. Sabi mo nga, like, marami kang discovery then about yourself with the NCLEX journey mo. So sana, no, yung simple token and will really remind you of those good times na
Thank you, sir.
learn mo from the program and your NCLEX journey as a whole. Sir Kent, no, we wish you well. We wish you well sa
Thank you so much.
sa exams, tuloy sa mga next steps mo, and really, no, yung resilience na pinakita mo dito sa journey, but that will really lead you into a lot of places, no? Just continue with that attitude lang, no? Marami kang
Yes, sir.
mararating.
Thank you, sir.
I pass processing made easy for you. I pass processing is better. for